Hi, welcome to another video. So this one's how to repair a Yamaha YSP 1100. Now I actually repaired this a couple of years ago, simple capacitor change, and it failed just recently. Took it apart, tested all the capacitors, transistors, rectifiers, couldn't find a fault. I'll give you a look, show you what the fault was. So if I turn it on with this remote, you can see it powers up there. And it was totally dead before. You've got either it turns on with a remote, or you can press the standby. So over the far end there, that's the input for the amplifier. And over here, switch mode power supply. Right, there's a look from this side. So there's all the inputs. And that's the switch mode power supply. So this is a closer look at the power supply, and the common failure on these is this little bugger in here. I think it's C515. Zoom in, have a look. Right, so this capacitor, CE515, 22 nanofarad, 630 volt. This is the most common component failure. Changed this a couple of years ago because it was totally dead, wouldn't turn on. This is the relay you hear clicking, wouldn't turn on. Changed that, job done, 5-minute job. This soundbar failed a couple of weeks ago, just recently. So took it apart again, took this out, thought it's not lasted very long, a couple of years. The original one lasted sort of 4 or 5 years. And I took it out and it's still good, still 21.5 nanofarad. So put that back, tested a couple of these other components. These are rectifiers, transistors, that's a little FET down there. Tested all those, everything seemed alright, couldn't find any obvious fault. There's a ton of surface mount components on the other side. Anyway, cut a long story short, these transistors over here, one of these, the soldering didn't look fantastic. Tidied up the soldering and that's it, Bob's your uncle, job done. So if you've got a YSP Yamaha Soundbar and it's got this sort of power supply, check this capacitor first. Hopefully this video has helped. Thank you very much.